Come on guys, today we come up with some great new experiment. What could happen to the teams if they set fire inside the matchstick? Let's see. First we rounded up a lot of matchstick and put them on a table. Then I broke many eggs with some oil inside the non-stick pan. As soon as the matchstick was set on fire, the whole thing was lost inside the fire. But in the end, the egg had been cooked in the very beautiful way. What would happen to the toy helicopter if it catches fire inside the fireworks? First I put a fireworks on the wings of the helicopter. The wings have been shown slowly to give sense of profession. But the helicopter did not raise even 1 inch above the ground. What could happen to watermelon in France set fire to it? First I put a piece of watermelon and put a lot of firecrackers inside it. A large explosion occurs as soon as the firecrackers set fire to the strain. As a result of the explosion, the whole watermelon was turned apart. What happens if a Coca-Cola is put into cool ice? After pouring Coca-Cola into the ice in the container, the whole vessel is called smoke. After a while, the whole Coca-Cola tea turned to ice. What happens if a banana is left on top of the high pressure water hydraulic spray? Water enters through the banana. Most of the time the banana is a curd. I took a lot of magic ball inside a plastic drum. Then I took a many brands of cold drinks one by one. I give it with some detergent. As soon as the glass tea is poured inside the plastic drum, the whole place floats in the foam. If you like this experiment, practice it at home and let us know in the video comment. I added some soap, toothpaste, lemon, detergent and some vinegar. The whole glass was filled with foam and began to cool down.